Hey everyone, Chris here from Moore's Jewelers. I wanted to show off a heart slide pendant that we designed for a client in Georgia. Here we have a 3D print, casting, and finished piece. Apologies for the harsh shadows on the final pendant. The lighting does not do the pendant justice to how stunning it looks in person. This pendant design was made using the customer's diamonds and was based off an existing bracelet link the customer had. They wanted the same design but larger to fit the center stone and the total number of baguettes and round diamonds they had. With the 5mm round center stone, the pendant came out to be about 3 times larger than the original link. Along with the bezel center stone, 15 round diamonds were prong set along the right arch of the heart. These stones taper from about 2.5mm down to 1.5mm. Then along the left arch, 26 straight and tapered baguettes were channel set into the heart. The pendant itself has 2 hidden bells along the back, large enough for the pendant to easily slide onto the customer's chain without catching. We also added a simple open bar style gallery along the border of the pendant, but the underside of the piece is hollow to keep the weight down so it's more comfortable to wear all day long. For the casting, we left a piece attached to the sprues to show how the tree was set up and to show how the casting came out straight from the flask. Overall, the cast came out great and was easy to clean up. You can still see some of the layer lines that weren't fully filed away in the print, but nothing a rubber wheel can't clean up. The main thing we look for is that there's no porosity, pit holes, or the metal is brittle, indicating a poor cast. Finally, for the finished pendant, we added our high smooth luster polish to the surface to really give the metal that mirror-like finish. This also allows the metal to shine and sparkle just as much as the customer's very clean and white diamonds will. For pieces like this, we buff the polish on in a certain way that helps guide the light throughout the surface. Even though the polishing marks are too small to see without a loupe, they are still visible on how light reflects over them. Each buffing needs to force the high luster polish to flow with the surface. This helps always create visual movement. If you are looking to have a piece of jewelry custom made, feel free to contact us. We can provide feedback, information, or a free estimate to have something created. For anything else, feel free to leave us a comment, and thanks for watching.